Hello, hello, hello everyone. We are here to have some fun. Hello, hello, hello everyone. We are here to have some fun. Hello children and welcome back to story time with your Shelly ma'am. So kids, the name of today's story is The Cab Seller and the Monkeys. Dear children, do you know who is a cab seller? A cab seller is a person who sells cab. Now let's start the story. So, one hot summer day, a cab seller was selling cabs and saying, "Cabs, cabs, 5 rupees cabs, 10 rupees cabs, colorful cabs, beautiful cabs." By selling cabs all the day, the cab seller became very tired. So he put his basket down and slept under a big tree and snoring like but there were so many monkeys on that tree and the cab seller didn't know about the monkeys. Yes, children. When the cab seller was sleeping, all the monkeys came down and took his caps from the basket and wore all the caps. After some time, when the cab seller woke up and saw that his basket was empty, there were no caps in the basket. Then the cab seller looked here and there but could not find any caps. Then he suddenly looked up and saw that there were so many monkeys on that tree and all the monkeys were wearing his caps. So the cab seller became very angry and said, "You naughty monkeys, give my caps back." The monkeys said, Then the cab seller became more angry and said in anger, "Those caps are mine. Give me my caps back. Otherwise, I will beat you." Then monkeys said, "We will beat you. We will beat you." Then the cab seller threw stones on the monkeys. Then the monkeys threw fruits from the tree on the cab seller. By seeing this, the cab seller got an idea. He saw that whatever he was doing, the monkeys were doing the same thing. Oh, that means monkeys are copying me. So the cab seller put down his cap. Then all the monkeys also put down their caps. Then the cab seller clapped. Then the monkeys also clapped. Then finally the cab seller threw his cap towards the monkeys. Then the monkeys also threw their caps down. Now the cab seller took all his caps in the basket and ran away from there. Dear children, are you happy for the cab seller? So kids, the moral of the story is, if there is a problem, then there is always a solution. So we should always use our brain like the cab seller, who defeat the monkeys by using their own copying habit. So kids, how did you like the story today? Tell me by comments and tell your friends about this story also. Okay, bye bye. Take care.